Hello, welcome to English lesson for beginners. Learn English naturally. Watch, listen, learn, and speak. Episode 1.
สวัสดีค่ะครูแหม่มค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่บทเรียนภาษาอังกฤษสำหรับผู้เริ่มต้นค่ะดูฟังเรียนรู้เข้าใจและพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ด้วยตนเองค่ะเรามาเริ่มเรียนกันเลยค่ะภาษาอังกฤษง่ายๆสไตล์ครูแหม่มค่ะ
A basket. An egg. A banana. A book. An orange. An egg. Some eggs. A banana. Some bananas. A book. Some books. Listen and choose the correct picture. An orange. Some books. Some oranges. A banana. Some eggs. A basket. Some books. An orange. A banana. The basket. A banana is in the basket. An egg. The basket. An egg is in the basket. Some bananas. The basket. Some bananas are in the basket. Some books. The basket. Some books are in the basket. Some oranges. The basket. Some oranges are in the basket. Listen and choose the correct picture. Some bananas are in the basket. Some bananas are in the basket. Some bananas are in the basket. Some eggs are in the basket. Some eggs are in the basket. Some eggs are in the basket. An orange is in the basket. An orange is in the basket. An orange is in the basket. A bowl. A glass. A sack. A bottle. A dish. A carton. A spoon. Look at the picture and then speak. A glass. A spoon. A bowl. A bottle. A sack. A dish. Listen and choose the correct picture. A dish. A carton. A sack. A bottle. A spoon. A bowl. A bowl of soup. A bottle. A bottle of beer. A carton. A carton of milk. A dish. A dish of rice. A sack. A sack of potatoes. A glass. A glass of water. Listen and choose the correct picture. A dish of rice. A dish of rice. A carton of milk. A carton of milk. A glass of water. A glass of water. Listen and choose the correct picture. My favorite food is a bowl of soup. I really love it. My favorite food is a bowl of soup. I really love it. I enjoy Thai food, and today I have a dish of rice. I enjoy Thai food, and today I have a dish of rice. Would you like to have a glass of water? Would you like to have a glass of water? I bought a sack of potatoes from the farm. I bought a sack of potatoes from the farm,